Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. And yesterday we already we see that video how to access mainframe and how to register with IBM and how to download Vista software. Okay, and today we can see so many people are facing issues with getting their password while they were typing yesterday's password. It is not authorized like that. It is showing. So for that purpose, we are making another video how to get a default password and how to reset your password and how to create a new password. Okay, okay. Let's see. Uh, First of all, go to your mail. Okay, yeah. I think who register with your IBM, so they people they can easily get this mail, and in that mail there is a mainframe ID and IP address for the softwares. Like right now we are using Vista, right? That's why we have to use this IP address and this port number like 192.86.32.250 and port number 623. We have to use this only. And if you guys are not activating your account after registering with IBM, after 14 days, your account will be deleted. It can't be recovered. Okay. If you once register with your IBM and you are not logging with your this ID in between the 14 days, your ID will expire. You can't log in with your ID. So and so many people are getting issues with password. uh, Brother, we tried that jet cobal and id also, it is not working. So what we have to do for that purpose, we are making a video right now, and this is the process and you guys can follow it easily. And right now we have to click on this link like in the third questions and help. Okay, so click on this link and you will get a slack, that open mainframe project for this as a slack. It is like a twitch, twitch, right? Like live chat, live streaming. Those people who are gaming, they know like, about Twitch TV like that. It is like a channel community, and you guys can easily like open the desktop app and get the mobile app. Whatever you want, you can get it from the click on this open mainframe project, and you can get both open the desktop app and the mobile app. And right now, what we have to do is he already clearly mentioned about use ZIH Cobol app. But that we have to add that. Okay, first of all. So I'll say the process. After that, what you have to do is click on this app. Click on the apps left side corner, and here browse apps. Okay. After clicking into browse apps, you will get so many apps here like GitHub, Gridbot, ZIH, Google Drive, Twitter, Insights, Bot Service like that. For now, we have to add a ZH Cobalt. This is the app we have to use right now. And first of all, you have to type I need password. If you type like this, I need password, it will say to help reset your password, tell me your ZID and register email address. Okay, register email address means in which email you already registered with IBM. In that email, you only got that ID. Got it, right? For that ID, you can easily copy. I'm pasting it here again. You have to copy your ID and mail. I'm using one of my friend's mail and ID. So and after this, you will get it will take some time. It will verify that if it is right, then it will show like a data validate. I'm resetting your password. This is your new password. And this after this password, what you have to do? Open your Vista software. Vista software, and we have to connect log on. And what is our ID? Z94113. Log on. And what is our password? ACE01PED. Okay, that is the first password. After clicking it, password. If you don't want to change as a new password, you can directly log in with your ID and password. This is your ID and this is your password. But if you want to change your password after this, like, yeah, it is, yeah, you got it right. You got it, ISPF primary option menu. Got it. So right now, if you log on jet 94113, and after typing here password ACE01PED, okay, it is going to new password, right? You have to skip one. You have to skip one, and here 8 characters is there. Like, you can keep it 7 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you type only 8 characters, be aware of it, bro. Be careful while you are doing this. You have to skip this first line, first space. From the second one, you have to do it. Check it. If I do it, first one it is locking. So give one space, and from second one you can type it your own password, and after that it will again ask you to confirm that password. After entering those both passwords same, your password will be changed. Getting, and this is the way to create your own password and changing your default password. That's it, and thank you guys. And if you really appreciate our efforts, please subscribe to our channel and be with us. Let's get more fun and learn more. That's it, and bye bye.